Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Jean. How you doing? Oh, thank you. Oh, that's a gift.
Hello, everyone. My name is Han Jiaying. I come from Shenyang, China. 5 years old. Today I give you a small animal to sleep. Thank you. Goodbye.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, sit down. Hello, how are you?
My name is Han Jiaying.
Okay, we need to translate it. Where's